What's the station that plays boatloads of New Mexico's finest rock, even in the morning? What's the station that has Erica Viking to wake up to? What's the station? Simple. Coyote 102.5.
I'm Erica Viking with Coyote TV. Great. Oh, we were supposed to get that out of the way before.
I didn't time it right.
Oh, that's great. So what is the secret word going to be? I liked yours, Barney. I wonder where you got that idea.
I prefer Shaq. This is my Laker colors. Go Lakers.
Yeah, you prefer what you will. No, I think we're going to actually use a word for our Hard Rock Pavilion VIP secret word of the day that you actually busted out on the show today. And I was like, that was so good. I think we'll use it tomorrow.
It's going to be a great word. It's all revolving around Alicia Silverstone, who likes to apparently spit her chewed up food into her baby's mouth.
Did you see the video, cameraman?
I did.
Okay. Literally, she's thinking this is the cutest thing in the world. She's got her little baby there, and she takes a bite of the food, and she's like... And then that was gross in and of itself. And then she leans over and starts going... and actually spitting it into the child's mouth.
Mouth-to-mouth feeding.
Not only is it disgusting and something that should be kept in the animal kingdom, it looks like she's French kissing her kid. She doesn't see anything wrong or creepy with that. YouTube's the thing, and now we all got to get assaulted by that.
Yeah,
Why?
and so because of that, we like to say that Alicia Silverstone is a cochina.
A dirty, nasty one, too.
And so now, tomorrow, your word of the day is going to be cochina.
So just be listening for that. I'm sure we'll have plenty
dirty girl.
of opportunities to
Disgusting
work that
cochina.
in. There you go. Just don't say it about me, okay?
Never would say it about you, Erica. Ever.
Even if I make you watch the video again?
Yeah, maybe then if you do that.
I told him he had to do it. It was show research. You can't be involved in the show unless you watch it. But now I think it's on his YouTube favorites list.
Probably so.
I saw you put it over there.
2 Girls, 1 Cup.
Oh!
Cochinas, Alicia Silverstone, number 2 now.
He did it.
Number 2 now.
No, he did not reference the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. You're right. It's not that bad.
It's number 2, though.
You know what? This gives me pleasure to tell you this now. I'm glad that you're leaving for the next 2 days.
Yeah, I won't be back till Monday the 2nd, so.
I won't have to get grossed out by that again for another couple of days. We will miss you, though. Taking off for some personal stuff, and then you got to get down to Carlsbad with your daughter, so you'll be back on Monday.
Monday, return on Monday. So you're here with, I don't know, some other people. They'll be here. I won't be.
Sexy pipes of Jamie B. Do your Jamie B impression real quick.
You can catch her in the new movie Smoking Aces. It's Alicia Keys. Jamie Badetas kicking it with you. It's about as close as I can get.
I'm a little bit turned on by that. I'll begin
All right, I'm
6
leaving
a.m.